Hey everybody, Jittery J here. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day so far. Up next, we got a treat. We have the best puppy videos on the internet from Daily Dose of Pets. We're going to get into this in just a second. First thing we're going to do is throw a like and subscribe on this channel. This is affiliated with Daily Dose of Internet, I'm sure. They use the same symbol for their badge. Anyway, subscribe. All the links will be in the description below so that you can do the same if you wish. Would appreciate it very much if you hit the like and subscribe on this video. It goes a long way towards supporting this channel and helping it out. Gotta say, well, let me turn this on so I don't forget. Gotta say, puppies and kittens have a special place in my heart. I love animals, all animals, as a rule. I always have since I was a little kid. And my first animal that I could call mine was a miniature collie. And it was the sweetest dog I've ever had. And then after that was my first kitten. And yeah, they fulfill something in me that I don't know how to describe. Anyway, that's beside the point. But let's get into this and see what videos they put up.
These are the best puppy videos on the internet.
It is affiliated with Daily Dose of Internet. It's the same voice. Unless it's AI or whatever. Back that up.
These are the best puppy videos on the internet.
I don't think he wants it.
Okay. The little husky. This is cute. So damn cute.
She should really watch where she's going.
What's the problem today, sir? I told you the complaint department is closed on Tuesdays. Belly rub. Good boy.
If
Mine
I
will
was
do
a
that.
size, I'd be scared of the rain too.
Aww. There's your chihuahua. It looks like. I'm gonna keep him entertained.
These little guys have the cutest run I've ever seen.
Puppy, puppy, puppies. Come here, puppies.
They had the shortest legs. He's just chilling.
Miso? Miso? What the? Oh my god.
Go, Moon.
My baby's gonna die spot. No!
He's gonna help you out.
He's got an
Yeah.
interesting form.
Never like you. I'll see you two tomorrow morning on the golf
Oh. I was wondering what he's looking at. Looking at himself.
A triple and a single, and
She did it! Oh my god.
We gotta set those stairs for our dogs to get on the bed. The little one is like this tall, and she refuses to use it. She'll just get back far enough and take a running leap at it. And sometimes she makes it, sometimes she don't. But yeah, it's fun to watch her do it. She's determined. Give her that much.
She's so smart.
Ooh.
This little guy's got an interesting method of getting down the steps. There are no thoughts going on in his head.
Like I said, determined.
Down low. Too slow. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to the meeting. This meeting is going to be about all the barking that has been going on.
This puppy chose violence.
Oh.
I've never seen a
It's one of those little balls that every once in a while, if you mess with it, it starts vibrating across the floor. We got one for our dogs, and the little one will sit there and bite it and bite it and bite it until she hits the power button and turn it off. Then she'll whine for you to turn it back on. Those two are a trip. Anyway, these are adorable. These puppies are just so cute.
A puppy so happy to be watching TikToks.
I'm done. Why does she look like that? Quinn and I love watching TikTok.
Franco. 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 Oh. Hey!
His swimming lessons are going well.
So like, we get another dog. I want
This pup is loving this
retriever.
ice cube.
Are you taking a video?
I want a purebred Goldie.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh, okay.
I guess they prefer Pepsi.
He is out.
I have a feeling that he's gonna be a handful growing up.
You think?
I think she's gonna need a bath.
Él es
You
rebelde.
think?
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no la veo problemática, la veo rebelde.
Oye,
Contestona.
Sleeping in your dog dish.
Pancake. What are you doing?
He's a master of hide and seek.
Where's Yodi? Where's Yodi? Where's Yodi? Yodi! Come here, Yodi! Oh! Where you going?
Murphy. Piero. Piero.
I wonder how long he's been doing this for.
When that bath hit and the blow dry. And it acting like a puppy during a blow dry.
This pup isn't taking their yoga very seriously.
What a great damn way to see how far away.
It took this blind pup a couple seconds to figure out he should be mad.
Bud. Is that the kitty, Bud? Is that the kitty?
Yeah, that happens.
What do you think you're doing? Oh, are you gonna go for the toilet paper? Let's. Yep. Yep.
I think they pressed their puppy's mute button.
So my puppy already knows the sound right when he's about to get a treat. Watch this.
I guess we know who the favorite is.
Venga, venga para acá, mi amor. ¿Quién la molesta? ¿Quién la molesta, mi amor? ¿Quién la molesta? Acuéstate ahí. Vaya a ver con un rato, a ver. Ay, no, venga, pase.
Come. Gunner, come. Gunner. Gunner, come.
Oh, there's everyone in there. No, it's his toy. That's a Roomba. I thought it was a bowl.
She's still getting used to going on a walk.
Sit. Sit, baby. Speak. Speak. Speak.
Alright, here's the size difference between the biggest and the smallest. Her ears don't go down. How cute is that?
Yeah, I want one of them so bad.
He's gonna have a hard time carrying that ball around.
You got your headband on? You big boy. And we got your tennis ball? Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Good boy. Oh, yes.
You gotta go potty. I know, I hear you. You've gotta go potty. Let's go. I know, I hear you. Let's go potty. The door's open. The door's open, weirdo.
Come on.
Babe, her tongue. Why is her tongue hanging out like that?
She's yawning. Look at her.
That better, okay. But
look.
only because we got, where is it? This is the extra small vest, and it does not fit her.
Look
so
at her.
hubby's like, I've got a vest. What is that, hubby?
This is a body armor vest.
He has an interesting method of eating his food.
Oh. Look, he's eating it like that. Yeah, we tried one of those at one point. Zoe just flipped the damn thing over and got everything at once. Trying to slow him down, but shit, especially the big one. She's a lot. But we were trying to slow her down because she finally packed on. She was all skin and bones when we got her from the pound last year, and we finally got her filled out to where you can't see her ribs anymore. But she's not overweight. She's at a perfect weight. So we got her filled out, and then now she wants to eat constantly. Well, not constantly, but more than 3 or 4 times a day. She's at the food bowl, and we leave food out for them so that they don't feel like they're going to run out. It's kind of preventative because they don't sit there and scarf it down like that. They'll eat a little bit and then walk away because they know that it's going to be there. Anyway, I'm getting way off track. Let's get back into this. Look at these little guys. They are so damn cute. I love puppies. Like I said that before, didn't I? Look at them.
This is the cutest prison break I've ever seen.
Stay. I'm gonna leave the room. You can't touch it. Stay, Ellie.
Yep. It's fun.
Ellie?
He waited as long as he could. Or she could.
This family were meeting their new puppy for the first time.
Hey, buddy.
Hello, buddy. How are you? Yes, buddy. You traveled okay, buddy.
He did so good. He didn't even make a sound.
Oh, what a beautiful pup.
He's striking fear into his enemies. Momo. Momo. What are you doing? Momo. Momo. What are you doing, Momo? Momo. Momo.
Yet another weird thing Hash does. With his turkey giblet treats.
This pup cannot be bothered to walk.
Nope.
It's a puppy day out. Hi, puppies. Hi, babies. Went to the vet. There we go, Road King. Hey. They're such good dogs.
Who knew that their bed would become their battlefield?
All right. What's he doing? Excited as hell.
Hard fine. Yummy. Rip you on the cup.
He wants to jump off too.
Can anyone spot the pup?
It's 2 a.m. and I just got back. I'm looking everywhere for George. I'm like, has he been outside this whole time?
Huh? He's comfortable. He's comfortable.
You ready? All right. 3, 2, 1.
He's found the cause of the slippery floors.
Oops.
No. No. Your paws are wet. Don't you tell me. Hey. I don't need the back talk, Missy.
I know that.
This Labrador is meeting their new brother for the first time.
Okay. It's like they'll do that for hours and then get surprised when it hurts when they bite it.
He's not the sharpest tool in the shed.
Oh.
Uh-oh, now what are you gonna do? Uh-oh. Shouldn't hang around and impale yourself. Are you gonna get down? How'd you get up there? Uh-oh. Oh boy. Oh. Mickey, what did you do? You wanna try? You can. Oh no.
They aren't like their other siblings.
She's gonna put the fox on top of it. It shoots the ball. Oh, somebody's slick.
Ambi does not like the cows. Oh my god.
Working hard or hardly working.
You. Why don't you want to play?
Hi, Gizmo.
Poor cat.
I feel.
Don't eat him, Joss.
I know. Like, I feel like I have to be gentle. Oh, don't drop.
I don't understand how they find that comfy.
So we've been out, Dylan, for less than 5 minutes. Should we keep going? Shall we go home? Right.
If you snooze, you lose.
Wait.
He was done.
Watch me. Hey, watch me. Okay. Oh, Lola! Lola!
Well, look at the seal.
Alright, come on. Alright, Moxie finally knows how to go down the stairs. She cries every time.
Come on.
Why do you cry? Good girl.
Practice makes perfect.
Archie? I will grab the sock from you.
He's got the cutest little legs.
12.
There's a rainbow.
That'd be my littlest one. Constantly gotta go for shoes.
Rosie, look! Oh my gosh! Oh.
Chaos is his middle name.
Sit. Sit. Lie down. Good girl.
So you must get her. Oh, that was rude.
Brad, can you help me? Close. Close. Good job.
She couldn't believe what she was reading. Is it just me, or do puppies have the strangest enemies?
Right? We brought a little portable heater in for the kitchen because we have 8-foot ceiling, so all the hot air goes up there in the winter. So we got a little electric heater that sits on the floor, and every time we plug that thing in and it kicks on, the dogs start barking at it like it's gonna get them or something. So yeah, they definitely have some weird enemies. Anyway, let's finish this salad. This is almost over.
Sit. Sit. Paw. Good boy. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Oh.
She's not in the mood for cuddles.
Stop. Okay. No more playing anymore for you tomorrow. What did I tell you?
If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like this one as well. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Yeah, this is good. I like this. Like I said, I have an affinity for animals, and dogs and cats are at the top of that list. It's like saying they become a part of your life. You become their whole life. So we treat our animals as family. I mean, that's why my cats live to be 22 and 23. We keep them indoors. Had them fixed when they were younger, and they thrived indoors. Anyway, I really enjoyed this. I hope you guys did as well. You'll have to let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Let me know what else I'm missing. I will get there as soon as I possibly can. If you are still here and haven't done so yet, please hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. It goes a long way towards building the channel up and helping it grow. That being said, that is just about going to do it for this video. It's off to the next one for me. Hope to see you guys there as well. Love you guys. Peace. Hey guys, make sure to check out one of my other videos right here at Jerry J.